What is good, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I'm about to go meet up with Pedro. We're gonna go to this Mexican deli in Queens. We're gonna make some chopped cheeses on some bread. I don't know what kind of bread it is. They'll tell me when I get there though. So I'll catch you guys when we meet up with Pedro.
Yeah, man went from working on cars. Grilling the chopped cheese today, huh?
Yeah, today we're about to make a chopped cheese. What do you call this?
Concha.
A concha chopped cheese. Pedro made one already. It was slapping, so now it's my turn.
Oh shit! Not again. There you go. See, you get
About to get it right. I cook at home, but I never made a chopped cheese before.
Not that meat. Yeah, boy.
I think chopping the cheese up is gonna crack me the most. Yeah, I need the meat no. You have the seasoning. Actually, I don't think it's gonna be that bad.
This is the first time you ever got handy in the kitchen filming with me.
Yeah.
He's always recording it, but he never got his hands dirty. Nope.
Chopped cheese changes lives, you see?
First time.
So
Got you
is
really
this?
Flip it.
Flip it? Oh.
Seasoning.
That's about right.
A little bit here on the side.
Yeah.
Chop it up.
Bring it over here. Should be alright. Oh, I didn't know it was gonna be this soft. It's kind of hot.
Yeah, careful. Careful with
I
that.
think this is burning. It's mayo, right?
Yeah, mayo.
Adding the mayo right now.
Slap some of Pedro's mayo.
Hey, yo. keep that one to yourself.
Yeah, that's a big blob.
Yeah, you should make your own sauce.
Me?
Yeah. I'm about to put some ketchup on it. I feel like I don't got the technique for this.
Alright, cool. Now just toss it over. And one on the bottom.
There. Alright. And that cheese is melting over there. That should look good.
What the hell scoop was that?
Bro, I've never done this before, bro.
He did not just do that.
I don't even know how this works.
Cool, it's cool. The whole point is to get it on the bun. Don't worry.
Yeah, I got more on than you did. All of yours is still left over.
Alright, cool. Hit it with the tomatoes.
2 tomatoes.
I'm about to add 2 tomatoes. And some lettuce. I feel like that was a bit too much.
Alright. Wow, look at that. It's good.
Yeah, it does look good.
Yeah.
Dirty Dan.
Good greens.
You got that part?
See it? Nah, this should look more juicy than mine, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, that's mine, baby boy.
Alright, first bite. Oh, this is problem. Some good stuff for What is good, guys? It is the next day. I'm with Kyle. We are about to go to a car meet in Long Island. We're getting some gas right now. So yeah, we're getting some gas right now. I'm not gonna lie, that food yesterday had my stomach busting. I woke up this morning feeling insane. But we are about to go meet up with Tristan. There's a car meet in Long Island, Gintani car meet, and I'll catch you guys when we're on the road. Random M2 comp. Alright, so we just got to the meet. Kyle parked up. Look who it is. It's Tristan. What do you need? My lips was dry. This is sick. Listen wheels. Yeah, it is 6-speed. Nah, this E92 is tough. The lime green calipers. Colorado 2. Sitting on the 3 pieces. My HREs. Rich. GT3 RS. I need that. This look like TJ Hunt's car, but it's not, bro. F430 is sick. Nah, crazy. 2JZ GS300. Can't see it, but it's manual. This R33 is crazy. Same color as Kyle's car. RX-7 FD. Nah, I'm not even looking at that. Fuck that. Evo 4. This is crazy. Niggas got the motor in the back seat. Matching E46 and E92 M3. When you gonna get yours, bro?
Shit, not no time soon, bro. This right here is the perfect spec.
Nah, this is good spec. I got this blue Aventador SV. Nah, this is tough. Twin turbo Huracan with the airbag? Nah, it's crazy. Black on black STO. Nah, this is tough. Nah, he went crazy. Nah, this is good M4. Tristan talking about locking in with this GTR right here. You see this shit? Look at this big ass intercooler, bro. This GTR is leaving me. Fox body. Fox body, single turbo.
Did you do it on the second rotary?
Oh, it's a rotary? Oh shit. EG. I wish I would have brought an EG, man, when they were cheap. Wow, this is a big ass turbo. What the fuck?
So I lock in with
this nigga is wild. Lock in with what, bro? You see that can right there, nigga? This nigga has a e-brake, bro, and a fucking airbag.
It's just a hydraulic brake. It doesn't lock.
What is yours?
Yeah. This is retarded. Thank you.
This shit is sick, bro.
Yo, what fucking side?
Another R33. Let's get the Jokers. Another 720. Man, the cops is out here.
Better than the orange one, right?
Yeah. The cops is out here acting up, bro. Look, as I speak, another one is pulling up. Alright. STO go crazy. Now look at this F80 on the T's. Find the Nick type car. This is out here acting up. Like the cops is not right there. This X5 is crunched. We just got to the second meet. This parking lot is like packed. I don't even know where we should park, honestly. Nah, this E90 is making that E90 over there look bad. F80, GT3, E90. speed too. Kif spec M4. What's going on over there? Oh, damn. Y'all see that? That car was cooked OD. You gotta know your limits. You gotta make sure your car got brakes and tires, because if it don't, that's what happens. But anyways, we're about to drop Tristan home, and then me and Kyle are gonna head back. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing anything else. Sean said he's at the skate park, but you guys don't really watch the skate videos like that, so I'm probably just not gonna vlog that. And then we are also, I'm thinking about getting a vlog camera or a mic. Let me know what you guys would prefer, because I feel like the iPhone quality is not that bad, so it's like, why would I even buy a vlog camera if I could just buy a mic? But let me know what you guys think. This is the end of the video. I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Peace.